welcome back sa aking YouTube channel! Well, for today's video, ito yung pinakahihintay kong i-film na video because for today's video, I'm gonna clean my brushes. Ayan, super dumi. Super dumi na nila and I'm gonna clean these all. And I would like to show you kung ano ba yung mga super murang way to clean your brushes. Like, you don't really need a brush cleaner to do it kasi wala po akong brush cleaner. Purita po ako, wala po akong brush cleaner. So, meron akong isang way to do it na napakasimple lang and hindi talaga nasisira yung mga brush mo. Super smooth. Eto, ilang beses ko na linabhan, hindi pa rin sila nasisira. So, I'm gonna share it to you guys kung ano yung murang way to clean your brushes without even using a makeup soap or brush. Basta yung mga brush cleaner. So, very cheap alternative na makikita nyo lang sa bahay nyo and na magbibigay pa rin ng napaka-soft na feels sa inyong mga brushes. So, I'm gonna share that one to you right now. So, if interested ka kung paano ko yan gawin, keep on watching. Na tayo ngayon in our restroom. So, yung pinaka-secret lang nito, you could actually use your facial wash, but make sure yung facial wash is gentle cleanser, hindi yung super abrasive na cleanser kasi nakakasira yun ng brush. But in my case, before yung ginagamit ko is this one, this Celetec Dermoscience facial wash kasi this is my facial wash. But, nasasayangan ako kasi medyo may kamahalan siya. So, yung ginagamit ko recently na sobrang working talaga sa akin is ito. This one. Kita niyo ba? Joy Concentrated with Safeguard Antibac Dishwashing Liquid. Yung mga dishwashing liquids are not too harsh. So, pwede talaga siyang gamitin sa brushes. Also, ito, yung maganda kasi dito is meron siyang antibacterial. So, hindi mo na kailangan mag-sanitize ng brushes mo. This is already a very good makeup brush cleaner. Ito lang talaga. Meron itong maliliit. You could definitely go ahead and use that. So, what I usually do is nilalagay ko lang siya sa isang maliit na container. Like so. Very konti lang. Ayan. Tapos, nilalagay ko siya ng kaunting tubig. Parang ganyan siya. And then, tapos hinahalo-halo ko lang siya ganyan. In terms of tools na ginagamit ko for cleaning up my brushes, ito yung ginagamit ko. This is actually a brush cleaner. I bought this sa Miniso. And parang wala pang 100 pesos yung presyo nito. But you can always use a bimpo or anything na meron siya mga rough surface. Parang ganito, you can always use bimpo. Dati, bimpo yung ginagamit ko and it does the job really well. So, you could always invest to something like this kasi napakaganda nito kasi nga meron na siya texture yung surface niya. Let's start with the face brushes. Kagaya nito, this is a face brush. And yung kailangan yung tandaan is never wet itong part na to kung saan merong gold, minsan gold. Basta itong part na to, ewan ko kung ano yung tawag kasi nandito yung glue. So, the moment na mabasa itong part na to, right here, the moment mabasa ito, papapasukan niya ng tubig, it may destroy your brush. Kaya natatanggal yung mga hibla ng brush mo, or natatanggal siya from the holder, from the kahoy itself. So, wag mo siyang basain. So, first, you just need to dip it down like so. Once na-dip ko na siya is, binabrush out ko lang siya dito sa kanyang brush cleaner. You can see that it's breaking up the pigments. Ayan. Then, wash it with a running water. Again, huwag mong basain masyado etong part na to. And it's really important na every time that you wash your brush is pointing downwards talaga siya. Parang ganito. So, ayan. Kung makikita, meron pa siyang natitirang pigments, then you just need to do the same thing again. With regards to this technique, may iwasan mo matanggal yung mga hibla ng brush mo. And kung makita nyo, pag piniga ko pa siyang ganyan, meron pa siyang mga bula. So all you have to do is just to rinse it off again. And gently piga. Until wala na talaga siyang bula. Kasi if hindi mo siya nabanlawan ng mabuti, yung bula will make your brushes stiff. Tumitigas yung brush mo. So, kailangan mo talaga siyang banlawan mabuti. Until wala na siyang bula. Ayan. There. In terms sa eye brushes, kagaya nito, usually, siniset by 3 ko siya. Kasi, mas mabilis pag ganito. And same thing, i-dip ko lang siyang ganyan. And then, brush it off with this brush cleaner. See, you could see na natatanggal agad yung pigments. Okay, kita nyo? The same thing din. Kailangan nakababa or pointing downwards yung brushes nyo. Iwasang mabasa yung ganito dito na part. See, mabilis lang siya. I love to do it twice para sure talaga akong malinis siya. There, malinis na siya. Now, with regards to this sponge na parang ganito, what I usually do is I like to grab a bar soap. Ayan, safeguard ulit para antibacterial. And inirab ko yung mga sponges ko ng ganito. With regards to this technique, I'm not seeing my sponges na nasisira or whatnot. Still on a very good shape pa rin siya. And pinipiga-piga ko lang siya ganyan. Ayan, see? Ang bilis mawala nung foundation. So, I just repeat the same step. Kung saan merong foundation, nirarab ko siya sa isang bar soap. Kagaya nito. And pinipiga ko. Pagkapiga mo, ayan, see? Kita mo? See? Lumalabas agad yung mga foundation. Yeah, kung makikita nyo dito na lang, yung ibang parts is medyo malinis na. So, you just need to repeat that step again. And make sure na hindi na meron pang tubig yung sponge ninyo. Kasi, when you squeeze it out, yung tubig sa loob yung makakatulong sa paglabas ng foundation. So, parang ganyan. See? Kita nyo? Parang nilalabas na yung foundation sa loob using that water inside. See? Mas malinis na siya. So, the same thing, binabasa ko, fill ko siya ng water. Ayan. Then, brush it or swipe it with the soap. Ayan. Kung saan yung madumi, so, pinupoint ko siya downwards kasi pababa yung pag nahulog yung tubig, pababa eh. So, see, para doon siya umagos yung nasa loob ng water. See? Ang dali lang. So, repeat nyo lang siya until maging super malinis na yung sponge niyo. Ayan. There. So, medyo malinis na siya. Ayan. So, that's how you do it with the sponges. So, let me just clean my brushes and I will be back. Here are the cleaned brushes. Ayan. Malinis na sila. So, after kong labhan yung mga brushes, nilalagay ko lang sila sa isang bimpo. And nilalatan ko lang silang ganyan. Now, I'm gonna show you kung paano naman sila paugahin. Ano Tagalog na uga? Yung para hindi na siya basa. Ano Tagalog ng uga ba? Now, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano sila patuyuin. Ayan. So, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano sila patuyuin. I'm gonna show it to you right now. And sa pagpapatuyo naman, find a slant surface na kung saan pwede nyo ilatag yung mga brushes niyo dyan. And make sure na hindi parang super slant na parang nagaganyan na yung brush nyo because it would destroy and deform your brushes. Tamang slant lang na hindi andito yung pwersa ng mga brushes. And ayan, that's how you do it.
Alright, so yun na nga. So basically, yun na yung ginawa ko. So pinatuyo ko lang siya and everything. Rest assured guys, trust me. Trust me. Hindi masisira yung sponge and yung brushes mo sa way na ito. Kasi napaka-gentle lang ng mga dishwasher cleaner. If meron kang extra, then you could use your facial wash. Make sure na yung facial wash yun is gentle cleanser. Like yung sa Cetaphil, yung mga ganun, which is a little bit expensive. Dati yun yung ginagawa ko. But yung dishwasher cleaner, yung Joy, make sure to use that Joy with Safeguard para at least sanitize na din siya kasi meron siyang antibacterial. It would really help you clean your brush 100% and napakalinis niya and napaka-soft niya. You know, hindi pa rin siya nasisira. It will still give you that softness sa mga bagong brushes na meron kayo. Comment down below kung nasira yung brush nyo sa ganitong paraan because I can guarantee hindi talaga siya masisira. So yun lang guys. I hope you have learned something for today's video. Let me know if nag-work siya. If hindi naman, let me know then so that I could give you advices. Yun lang guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit on like, share, subscribe, and click on the notification bell para updated ka sa aking bawat uploads because I upload 2 to 3 times a week. Thank you so much again for watching. Keep safe, manatili sa bahay, huwag lumabas, and see you guys all in my next video. Bye!